Good evening. I am Twinkle Quatra, currently a legal intern at Lexis and Company, and the topic that I am going to discuss today is right of an arrested person in India. There are some basic rights that is given to a person by birth, like right to education, right to information, right to vote, etc. Likewise, there are some rights that is given to an arrested person which he or she can exercise when he or she get arrested. Right? I will discuss 5 to 6 rights only. There can be many more, but for the video concern, I will discuss only 5 to 6 rights. So let's start. First, it comes the right to know the grounds of arrest. ठीक है, a person should know the right on which ground he or she has been arrested. So there are some article and section that we have to remind. First is article 22 subsection 1. It states that if a police officer arrests a person, so it is a duty of the police officer that he should tell the grounds of his arrest. A person should not hide the grounds of the arrest. He should tell what are the grounds on which basis a person has been arrested by the police officer. Second comes the section 50 of CRPC. We are all aware of CRPC, Criminal Procedural Code. So it section 50 states that if a police officer is arresting without warrant, then also he should tell the grounds on which basis he is arrested, right? And in section 50A, again in CRPC, it states that if a police officer is arresting a person, so that police officer should tell his relative or a friend whichever is concerned about his arrest. He should not hide that from them as well, a relative or a friend, right? Now section 55 of CRPC, it says that if a police officer is delegating his duty to another police officer and he sends that police officer to which he is delegating his duty to arrest that person, so that police officer should also tell that why he is arresting and he has been delegated by another police officer. Both things: first, why he is arresting the person, and second, that he is delegated the duty. Okay. Now last section is the section 75 again of CRPC. If the police officer has the warrant, then also he should tell what are the grounds, what is written in the warrant, and if the accused person is saying that he or she wants to see the warrant, then also police officer can't hide. He can't say that I have a warrant but I will not show you. He have to show the warrant. Okay, the second right is right to silence. It means that a person can remain silent if he wants to. He can't confess. A police officer can't beat him or can't involuntarily make confession. Right. It is a duty of the magistrate that he should take care of this. That the person is not. What we say, the person is not harmed or it has not been forced to give the statement, because the statement and confessions are given in the court, and so the magistrate should take care of this, that in police station the person has not been forced to give the confession. Okay. Now the third is right to be taken before magistrate without delay. So it is a duty of the police officer to take the accused person to the magistrate within the 24 hour. It is stated in Article 22 subsection 2 of Indian Constitution Act. And again let's come to CRPC. In Article 55 of CRPC, it states that if a police officer arrests the person without warrant, then immediately he should report to the magistrate of the jurisdiction or the police officer in charge. And next, section 76 of CRPC state that if a person is produced, the person must be produced within the court within 24 hours, and the time taken between the place of arrest and the court, or we can say the journey between the place of the arrest or the court can be excluded, but it within that time he should be in the court. Okay, fifth is right to consult an advocate. So, in Article 22, subsection 1 of Indian Constitution Act, it states that every person who has been arrested, he may or may not have committed the crime. He has right to choose his own advocate who can represent him in the court of law. In section 41D of CRPC state that every prisoner have the right to select his advocate, and Article 303 of CRPC states that every criminal has the right to choose his advocate either the proceeding has been processed or not. And here comes the last right, which I will going to explain. Right to examine by medical practitioner. So if a person is arrested and he wants that his body should be medically examined so that the criminal charges or some fact of the case will be dismissed, then he is allowed to do a medical checkup. And if he says that another person has done something with his body and it will give evidence to the court, then also he will be allowed to do a medical checkup. But the court should be satisfied that the medical checkup is not going to cause any delay to the case. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you very much, and if you have any doubts you can comment down below, and please subscribe our channel and like this video. Thank you.